In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Discord Server Stats. Discord Server Stats is a useful application that allows you to display live server information directly within your Discord server. It can automatically create channels that show important statistics, such as the number of members, bots, and other server-related data. This can make your community look more organized while also giving members quick access to useful information at a glance. To get started, open Discord and navigate to the server where you want to add the server statistics feature. Once you're inside the server, look toward the top left corner of the Discord window and click on your server name. This will open a menu containing several server management options. From that menu, select App Directory to browse available applications that can be added to your server. After the App Directory opens, locate the search bar in the top right corner. Click inside the search field and type Server Stats. When the application appears in the search results, select it to open its information page. Here, you'll be able to review the app and begin the process of adding it to your server. Next, click the Add App button. Discord will display a setup screen where you'll need to verify the server you want to use. Scroll down and make sure the correct server is selected. Carefully review the permissions being requested so you understand what the application will be allowed to do. Once you've confirmed everything looks correct, continue by selecting Authorize. If prompted, complete any verification steps that appear. After authorization is complete, the application will be successfully added to your server. Once the app has been connected, click Go to Server to return to your Discord server. Now you'll create your first statistics counter. Open any channel where you can use /commands and type /counter create. When the command appears, select it from the suggestions list. You'll now be able to choose the type of counter you'd like to create. For this example, select Members Only. After choosing the counter type, select Voice Channel as the channel format, and then press Enter to run the command. The application will process the request and create the counter automatically. You can then look through your server and see that the member counter has been successfully enabled. If you'd like to create additional counters, simply repeat the same process. For example, you can use the command again and choose Bots Only as the counter type. Press Enter, allow the command to run, and the new counter will be added to your server as well. You can continue using the same method to add other available statistics and customize your server's information display. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like. Subscribe to the channel.